to Numberblocks Adventures. Today, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are exploring the meadow when they discover something woolly, jumpy, and super fun. Let's count, add, and ride along.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep. And those sheep look bouncy. Do you think they want to play? Let's find out, Numberblock style.
The Numberblocks hop onto the sheep for a gentle, silly sheepback ride.
Whee! My sheep is jumping. Let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps. The sheep line up and begin jumping over the hurdle, one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 jumps. Let's do another round. How many jumps will we have if each sheep jumps 2 times? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 8 jumps all together.
Great skip counting practice. The Numberblocks can count 1 by 1 and in jumps of 2.
Riding sheep is fun, especially with math. 1 jump in unison.
Today we counted to 4, added jumps, and practiced skip counting. Join us next time for another Numberblocks math adventure.
Hit that subscribe button and ring that like